Hello, YouTube. Happy March 2023. This is Silver by the Ounce, and I am here to update you on what I picked up in February. This is about a week late. I've been busy with work and time got away from me, so I'm able to do it right now. Anyway, long story short, hope everybody had a great February. We're, like I said, a week into March. So let's go over the spot prices where precious metals closed the month of February. Gold actually closed at $1,850.06, down $71.95 per ounce from last month, or from January 2023. We're in 1922, so down a little bit. And in turn, silver as well. Silver dropped $2.31, basically a 10% drop on the month. My opinion, good time to pick it up. You could see close to 23.58 in the end of January. So that's where I'm at. So the 1 ounce of gold to silver ratio, 1 ounce of gold is 86 and a half ounces of silver. And that is up 5 ounces, slightly over 5 ounces month over month, as you could see from the month prior. So good time to start accumulating a little bit at a time. I did that in February. I didn't get a stellar deal, but I got a pretty decent deal considering spot prices and the commissions that they charge. The name's eluding me. The premiums that they charge. So you know what? Let's get into what I got. Before that though, if you're new here, welcome. What I stack versus what I collect. I stack mostly items that I could sell quickly at some point in the future. So if it goes up and I want to buy something else, I can. So bullion, bars, rounds, or another type of precious metal. Cat's out of the bag. I got a bar this month. Perfect scenario. For an example, if I buy a bar or a round for $27 per ounce and I sell it for $39, they're called the IDGAS. That stands for I don't give a shit. I don't really care about these long term. Yes, to sell them, to get some more money, currency, to put into something else, that'd be great, which would usually be items that I collect. These are what I do care about and want to pass onward to my family. Sets, collections, and series, and some that I collect are Libertads, which I haven't bought last year. Amazing. 8 reels, which I continue to collect. Britannias, I got a few early last year, and China's Panda sets, I didn't get any last year. So, I've been picky because silver went higher. It's coming down a little, so it allows me a little bit of flexibility to see what I want to get. That's where I'm at with it. And again, my stacking goals for 2023, lower or keep my silver cost average under 23.75. I ended the year. My official year ends the last day of January. So I ended the last day of January, which was my full year of 2022. I like to say when the football Super Bowl ends or begins is the end of my year. So I ended at 23.81 per ounce. I'm going to try to get it to 23.75 per ounce. It's tough. I achieved something this month, but we'll see what happens in the future. I want to get 100 ounces of silver, 1.5 ounces of gold. Last year, I got 63 ounces of silver. Again, the cost average was 23.81. That's my total stack over the last 9 years. Last month was my 9th year of stacking anniversary. And then continue my ongoing collections, as you could see. And look out for more deals if they happen, and they are worthwhile. I just don't want to make a video to make a video. I want to make a video if it is worth it for everybody to take advantage of a good price. And that is where I am. So let's talk about this bar that I got. This is a 10-ounce bar, small but mighty, let's call it. It is a Pioneer bar, as you can see. It is very nice, pretty thick bar. I still have it in the paper. You could see I paid $235.40 for this bar, February 2023. Not bad. I'm okay with it. It's $23 an ounce. I'll zoom in on it here for you. It's Pioneer. It has these little indentations that make it look like a nugget. 10 troy ounces, 0.999. Pretty nice. Like I said, I kept the wrapping on it. I got it from Atmex. It's just bar to my stack, folks. Bar to my stack. And you can see here is my paper. I just cut off the top part. And again, $235.40, $23.54 per ounce. Shipping was free, over $199. So that is what I got in regards to my stackable silver. In regards to my collectible silver, I got another 8 real coin. This is an 1847 and almost uncirculated 55. It is a Mexico City. That's all I collect are Mexico Cities. The way to know that it is a Mexico City is this right here. You see that MO. Let me turn it on its side so you can see. MO right there next to the date. That stands for Mexico City. The 8 real stands for, the 8R stands for 8 reals. And then that is the, right there, that is the minter's initials. Right there's the minter's initials. And I said I was going to find out what this is, but I didn't. The 10 DC 20, I don't know. Maybe that's what it meant in weighted silver. I don't know. Anyway, this is the back of it. Beautiful coin indeed. Republica Mexicana with the eagle standing on the cactus, and pretty nice. So it's an almost uncirculated 55. I had the fortunate circumstance to pick it up for $124.98 on eBay. Not bad. Super happy about that. So that is where I'm at with that. Let me cross this off here. This is what it is. Let me give it a check, a circle, and a scratch. And there we go. So right there is my 1847, $124.98. You can see the dates that I need. They're getting a little sparse here. 36, 37, 28, 29, 25, 35, 48. It's getting harder and harder for me. 49, 1855. You know, and then I have these. I'm just trying to get every date from 1772 to the present day. Libertad, connect the sets. Got a lot of work to do in here. These are called Cabalitos. I only have one. You can see all the gaps that I have here, and they're only graded coins. You can see they are only graded coins. Tough to do. 80, and then, you know, I go into the current day Libertads. You can see here, this is some more that I got. Got all of these. This is Ferdinand the Seventh. This was when they got their independence, 1822, 1823, a turbine. And those who have been here before have seen this before. This is Carolus the Fourth. I have all of them. They're all graded. I got them for great prices over the years. You can just see the prices. It's crazy. And then Carolus III, starting in 1772. So again, these are all my shipwreck coins. They're graded, but they don't have a physical grade like a very fine 25 or such. So I need a 1776, which is U.S. independence year, which is tough. I have it regular graded, which is technically now even worth more money. I have that in a NGC 45. It says $256 I paid probably about 6 years ago. That coin's probably worth $1,000 to $1,500 now. So people that say coins don't go up in value, they are full of it. But I need the shipwreck coin. I want that just to get the shipwreck coins out of the way. And then you can see the dates I physically need for the graded versions of these. And they're expensive. They're the earlier dates and they're tough. So that's where I'm at with it. So anyway, let's look what I'm at here. So in the end, this is what I bought. I didn't show you this last month. I had it. This is my 109th month stacking. The first month of the beginning of my 9th year. I didn't get any gold. My goal is to get 1 to 1.5 ounces. So far, zilch. This is my 1847, 124.98, as I said, 10-ounce Pioneer Metals, 999 silver bar. I got it through APMEX, $235, which leads me to my new list here. And you could see my cost average goal this year will be $23.75, strictly on my my bullion. And like if I pick up Libertads, they count too, even graded ones, but not numismatics. So February, you know, everything that I just said, it cost me $235.40 for a 10-ounce bar, $23.54. When I add that $235.40 to all the money that I've spent in the last 9 years, comes out to $52,000, almost $700. Divide the amount of ounces that I have. I should have done that on here, but I didn't do that. Let's do that. Do I have a pen? Here it is. Divide this by this, 22,113 ounces equals that number. There we go. $23.81. It is not at my cost average goal yet. Actually, last year's cost average, I should write it here just for the hell of it, $23.81 was January 2023. That's the ended year. So I ended my year at $23.81, and because this number is so close to the cost average, $23.81, there was a negligible change, nothing to talk about. Still, the round number is $23.81, and that's where I'm at. I'm going to try to get it down 6 cents this year, maybe 7 if I'm lucky. It's tough. If I get silver today at spot, or the last day of February, which I did not do, and we said it was 21.37. You know, if I get it 21.37, that number could come down. It just depends how many ounces I get. So that's where I'm at on the month of February, onward and upward into March. I haven't bought anything yet. I'm going to look this week. In fact, maybe after this video. Thank you for coming, watching, like, comment, subscribe. Listen, I do this for me. I just want to tell everybody this. I do this for me. I like making a video log, a vlog, in regards to what I get every month. Keeps it interesting, keeps it fun. I've met a lot of nice people on here, a lot of people with the same mentality, the same stacking goals. People compliment me on how I keep track of how much I've spent. I appreciate that. I think it's so necessary to just write down on a bar, a little sticker, how much you bought it for. Because you know what, years will go by, you may remember, you may not. On here, you could see right here, 124.98. I write this in reverse, actually, 124.98, and that 81 is my 81st coin that I got. Everything's in reverse there because in the future, I don't want somebody to know really what I paid for it. I'm letting you guys know just because, you know, we're a community here. But if I go somewhere and somebody's interested and down the road I want to sell them, I at least could turn the coin over. And when they're like, hey, what's that number? I could just say, hey, it was just how I kept track in my system, how I kept track of each coin for insurance, for whatever I want to say, you know, even though we have numbers on here for graded coins, but it is what it is. Meanwhile, if I reverse it, I know exactly how much I paid for it and what number coin it actually was that I actually got. So I have 81 8 real coins, which is pretty nice. So, you know, it is what it is. So that's where I get my numbers from. But I want to thank everybody for the nice comments, for the ongoing conversations, and I appreciate it. And I hope everybody has a great March. And thank you so much for watching. It means the world. And keep on stacking, guys. Talk to you soon.